मेरा अंदाज दुनिया से निराला है और मेरे गुरु ने कहा है कि बहुत ही जल्द मेरा वक्त बदलने वाला है।
अच्छा?
Myself, Gauri Shankar. Friends, today here I have come to explain you about the difference between sinusitis and rhinitis. See, what is sinusitis? It's very simple. It's an infection. Infection, maxillary, frontal, ethmoidal. So when you are examining the patient, he'll get pain. Here, or anywhere over here. He'll get pain because infection is present in that area. He will get discharge. Sometimes there will be blood from the nose if the infection increases. So very simple. You do X-ray PNS. X-ray PNS. It will come sinusitis. It will be written in the report. Sinus. You get the diagnosis. The treatment, antibiotics. And if you don't do proper treatment, if you really delay the treatment, you will have to go for surgery. Drainage. Surgery. I hope the patient should not come to that extent. Please diagnose it early. And the second one is, my friends, rhinitis, allergic rhinitis. Non-stop sneezing. Hamchi, hamchi, hamchi. Chauka, chakka, hamchi, hamchi, hamchi. They just keep on sneezing, man. Simple, it's allergic rhinitis. Then the reasons for rhinitis is dust particles. That is the main reason for allergic rhinitis. They say that spray, that agarbatti we use, and some smell, then odor, some odor comes into the nose, and because of that sneezing increases. Anchi, 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 anchi. But most common is dust particles, and that is very common in the city areas. If you tell the patient that you go to the village area, there you'll not get, yes, definitely he'll not suffer. Because village is clean, not polluted at all. Then he'll get relief, but then no option. They can't leave the city. Their bread and butter, they have to be in the city. So, the treatment for allergic rhinitis, find out the cause. Even then, if you can't avoid, then use nasal spray. Nasal spray and anti-allergic, definitely anti-allergic. But patients keep on roaming around here, there. They go for the different pathies, Ayurvedic, homeopathic, some here and there, because they are not able to diagnose. It is the duty of the family doctor to please diagnose exactly whether it is sinusitis or whether it is allergic rhinitis. Because if you diagnose properly, then you can do the treatment. And so simple, allergic rhinitis, don't go for surgery. Many doctors will suggest surgery. Why? If you are able to breathe properly, inhale, exhale, if you are able to breathe properly, then why go for surgery? Why? Only if there is problem in breathing, your obstruction is there, obstruction. You are not able to breathe at all. If you are not able to breathe, then definitely find out the cause, maybe DNS, extensive DNS, some polyp, something inside, then go for surgery. Doctors will do proper CT scan and X-rays. But till then, avoid surgery. So my friends, very important topic, man. Now corona is already going on, so people are using mask. So obviously you get prevented from the dust particles. So allergic rhinitis patients will suffer less. Very important topic, sinusitis and rhinitis. If you distinguish between these two, you can do the treatment. So my friends, myself Gauri Shankar, I had brought this most important topic in city areas, urban areas. Till then, it's a goodbye from Mr. Gauri Shankar. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Maharashtra. Share, comment, subscribe.